The morning sun warms my face, a cup of coffee, a quiet place. Leaves rustle softly in the breeze. These little moments put my heart at ease. Have you seen it too? The world's so bright, a simple joy hidden in plain sight. Everywhere I go, beauty finds its way in the little things of every day. A fleeting smile, the endless blue. Life feels better when shared with you. The laughter of friends, a familiar sound, the golden glow as the sun goes down. Steps that echo on the quiet street. Every heartbeat feels so sweet. Do you feel it now? This gentle hue, the world's soft rhythm calling out to you. Everywhere I go, beauty finds its way